In this video, I'll walk you through a simple but powerful Google Sheet that compares how much profit you make from selling a $14.99 digital product across 4 popular platforms: Etsy, Gumroad, WooCommerce, and Shopify. Let's start with the listing price. $14.99 is the same across all platforms. Next to that, I've included the platform's transaction fees as a percentage and any flat fees. Etsy, for example, charges a 6.5% transaction fee and a 20-cent listing fee. Then we have the payment processing fee, which usually includes a percentage and a flat fee, around 2.9% plus 30 cents for most platforms. Shopify has its own set of fees depending on the plan. WooCommerce charges a bit more because of the plugin costs. Under monthly or fixed fees, I've included things like Shopify's monthly plan or Etsy's one-time setup fee for new shops. We have also added $7.99 as the cost for creating your product. This could be your time, Canva subscription, or other tools. You can change this value to calculate your earnings in this sheet. Now comes the important part: total fees, total cost, and net revenue. This free profit calculating sheet helps with inbuilt formulas. You change your listing price in the first column, and it will automatically calculate total fees per platform, total cost, and net revenue. For example, let's change listing price for Etsy will be $19.99 instead of $14.99. Now we can see the net revenue and profit numbers are updated automatically and instantly. Before you list your digital product on any platform, it's crucial to calculate your net revenue and profit per sale in advance. Why? Because your listing price is not what you take home. Between transaction fees, payment processing, and your own production costs, your real profit can shrink fast. By calculating this ahead of time, you avoid underpricing your product, and you can choose the platform that actually supports your income goals. Google Sheets is perfect for this because you can build formulas that auto-calculate everything. Plus, you can update prices or fees anytime and instantly see how it affects your bottom line. It helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions, like a real business owner.